Here we are, we're at the well, and we started painting it. About 9 years ago, the base was rotted, so I had to cut it off right here at this level and put these boards on. And then on the bottom, these are normal, but this one was a treated piece. I wanted treated lumber to sit on the stone. I thought that would be enough. And now that we're looking at this, we have a nice hole in here. So it must be the treated lumber. I should have examined it more. There must have been a knot, or this is the heart, and it rotted out. So I've been digging it out, and you can see how deep this goes. So I'm trying to dig it all out, trying to get all the rotted out of there. And then I guess what I'm going to do is take a piece of hemlock, try to estimate the size, and then I'm going to pound a piece in there with caulking around it and try to get a decent fit, and then caulk the end. Now it's not underneath, there's no hole that I can feel, and there's no hole on top, so water was going in here and here. And so hopefully we'll get it tight with caulking, cut it off even, and then hopefully it's going to dry. I mean, I've removed a lot of the water, but it's still moist in there. I'd give it a few days to dry, but I'm afraid with rainy weather it's probably not going to happen. I'll have to check the weather report. Maybe I can give it a day or two. Okay, on to repair.